YouTube shopping stickers in shorts are getting an upgrade. Instead of opening a panel below the short, viewers will now be redirected to the seller's website to buy the tagged product. Obviously, if they click on the sticker. If there's more than one product tag, there will be an arrow next to the sticker to open the list of tagged products, and the sticker will be generated from the first product of the list. You can rearrange the list to choose which product becomes the sticker. Please keep in mind that the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program is only available if you have more than 10,000 subscribers and are located in one of the following countries. Multilingual audio gets a thumbnail experiment. If you already have access to auto-dubbing's bigger brother MLA, where instead of relying on YouTube's automatic translations, you can upload your own audio tracks, you might be eligible for another experiment. You can upload different thumbnails for the different languages, which is kind of a cool thing. I wish more people had access to MLA, so we would see more of this experiment. If you have access to the MLA and have access to the experiment, please let me know and send me some screenshots, because I would be very interested to see how this is working. Allegedly, the language-specific thumbnails are incompatible with thumbnail A/B testing, so you can either have the thumbnail or the language-specific thumbnails or the thumbnail A/B testing, which is kind of understandable in a way, because otherwise you would have to upload 3 different thumbnails for each language, which kind of blows it out of proportion for a single video. But it would also be kind of cool. Just let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Also, we are getting something new that is kind of related to multilingual audio, but let me get there. We need to talk about clips from transcripts. Basically, videos and live streams now have the ability to be clipped from the transcript as long as multilingual audio and auto-dubbing are disabled. Since live streams seem to be the focus here, neither MLA or auto-dubbing are enabled anyway, so there shouldn't be a huge issue. And what's happening is basically you can simply drag and select a passage from the transcript, and YouTube will automatically set in and out points for the video, and you can then add a 30-second intro, 30-second outro if you wish to. My advice, don't add intros and add a short outro. And yeah, basically it makes it into a new video, and you click on create draft and it will basically give you the complete upload flow for a video. It is kind of confusing when it comes to the terms, because these kind of clips are making a new video from your existing video or live stream, and the clips that are usually referred to as clips are made with the scissor symbol, basically. It's kind of weird from the terminology, but I hope we can sort this out. Maybe you guys have some idea on how we should call it. Let me know in the comments below. So, funny enough, once you have created the clip, it counts as a new video, and therefore you can clip it again if you need to, if it's still too long. And since it is considered a new video, this also means auto-dubbing is re-enabled. So then you have the ability to get a new language on there, which is kind of nice, but also kind of weird with how the upload flow for this works. All right. Last but not least, we talked about live streaming a little bit ago. YouTube is raising the minimum age for live streaming from 13 years old to 16 years old. Same as before, if you're underage, if you're a minor, or as YouTube defines it, a minor is someone younger than 18 years old, you have to have a guardian or parent visibly present in your stream. Otherwise, you might be subject to the child safety policy, and live streaming and live chat will get disabled. Obviously, if you're over 18, there won't be a change for you at all. And yeah, this change will likely happen over the coming weeks, and enforcement will take place a couple weeks after that. All right, if you have any questions about any of the topics, please let me know in the comments, and see you guys next week for more YouTube updates. Take care and bye-bye.